Now, your Stormwatch 9 forecast.
Well, today a little different from yesterday when we had some sunshine, some milder temperatures. The clouds won out today, especially across southern New Hampshire, and that limited temperatures a little bit. So it was cooler today as a whole. Highs only in the 50s from Concord down through Nashua, but up north, we got a little bit of sun and it was a little milder. Some low to even mid 60s from Plymouth back up through Whitefield and Berlin today. So a little different depending where you were in the state. We've seen a breeze picking up through the day today and through this evening. Seeing some gusts right now around 20 to even 30 miles per hour. Concord gusting to 28. Portsmouth gusting to 24 right now. Had a gust just over 30 miles per hour in the last half hour or so. And at the coast, that's likely where we're going to see some of those stronger wind gusts as we head into Monday. You'll notice tomorrow for Hampton, likely looking at gusts around 35 miles per hour, perhaps some isolated gusts closer to 40 miles per hour at times. And it's going to stay pretty breezy through the day. The first half of the day, likely the windiest, and then winds start to die down a little bit as we head through Monday evening. We've also seen some showers moving in already. We had a couple of light showers and sprinkles in southern New Hampshire this evening, not amounting to much yet, around 1/10 of an inch or so in spots like Nashua and Jaffrey, a few hundredths of an inch from Keene back through Manchester, even Portsmouth picking up just a little bit of rainfall now. And we're seeing those showers become steadier and pushing further northward through the state, and that'll be the case tonight. You can see all that steady rain to our south now getting in on some of that on the northern edge of this system. So a closer look showing some of the showers approaching the lakes region, some of this not quite reaching the ground or coming down in just little spritzes of some misting or just those sprinkles. The steadier showers really from Concord southward at this point. You can see that steady rain, Jaffrey, Milford, Manchester, back over towards Portsmouth right now, and a little bit of a wind-whipped rain too. The rain may be coming at a little bit more of an angle as opposed to just straight down. You'll notice rain chances really increase as we head through the overnight hours, and then as we head through the day Monday, the rain will be a little bit hit or miss, a little more on and off as you head south. That's where you have your best bet of seeing steadier showers. Up north, unfortunately, going to miss out on the chance for some really beneficial rainfall this time around. So Futurecast taking us into Monday morning, a damp start tomorrow when you wake up. As we head through the day, showers linger. There'll be a few light showers up north, some steadier showers at times south, and then even into Tuesday, we kind of stay unsettled here. Some lingering showers through Tuesday morning before we gradually start to see some drying and clearing as we head towards the middle of the week. So as far as rainfall totals and what to expect, well, the further south you go, the more you're going to see. So that's where you have the best chance of seeing anything from ½ an inch to an inch or so of rainfall. By the time things are said and done, you head further north and just a couple tenths of an inch for some spots. So we really need more given the drought and how dry it's been. And you'll notice after this rain, we do dry out a little bit again towards the middle of the week. And it's going to feel chilly too with that breeze tomorrow, low 50s, just kind of a raw feel, and that fall feel sticks around all week long.
Maria comes to my thoughts right now.
Yes,
and
being
she's
down
in
at the
middle.
coast.
Oh my gosh. Yeah,
Ooh,
definitely
she's a
layer
trooper.
up like her. Yeah, she is.
Yeah, you'll need the layers and maybe some of the rain gear too.
No doubt about it. All right, Jackie, thank you.